YouTube channel. This is my first unboxing video we are trying to post today. Hari?
Yeah, today we have received SIVO WT3130 model tripod from Amazon, and we can notice that the package is not in good condition. You can see some of the package has been torn and it is
Opened.
in
Almost like an open condition.
and you can see the tripod which is having the MRP of 3990, and today we have ordered and got it for 900 rupees. And you can see the features of this tripod. You can see that it is having a 420 thick pads ladders, and we can see the height of 1250 which is nothing but 50 inches, and also you can see that it can widen up to 400 and it has the weight of 550 grams, which is half kg, and it can hold up to 3.5 kgs of camera or and it can hold up to 19.8 of the camera mobiles. And now I am going to open this.
Let's get unboxed.
Let's get unboxing. We got also the backpack for this.
We have got a carriage bag. I think you can carry wherever you want.
Yeah, you can see this is the mobile or camera holder. Let's get to the specs. Yeah, you can see this has been locked for the ladder. So if you open this unlock, and once you unlock, you can adjust the height based on the requirement.
So total we have 3 stages or 4?
Total it has a
Three layers, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
And once you know the height you want to adjust, just lock it. And you can see this rods has come with aluminium and it is in bronze color. I have opened 2 layers here. Still you can have one more option to increase your size. Here it is, I have locked now, and you can see the further options available here. You can use this stick to move the camera into different, you can move up and move down. And we have the option to open this. When you open this, it will turn maybe the camera angles. We can change it to sides, and we can see here there is a button. I think this is a water level which they have given, and you can check out the camera focus and it will show whether you are into how many degrees of angles. And we have one more option here, which you can, once you open, you can see that
you have a further height increase, right?
And here you have one more button. You can see that it can move. Once you release this button, you can rotate the mobile and you can change the faces, and once you lock it, it will not move. And we have one more option to increase the height for this. Where it is unlocked, you can see further height, and we can, once you have increased the height and you want to fix, and you can lock it here. And we have received a warranty card also along with this package.
I think it's a 3 years warranty. I hope, I'm not sure exactly. I believe it's a 3 years warranty. Could you read anything in there?
Oh, they have not mentioned any period here as such. It just I think I have 1 year warranty.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, it's 1 year warranty. Okay.
Let's see, 1 year warranty, and once you know the level of height which you want, you can open this
This is a mobile holder.
or camera holder.
For mobile phone you can use.
Yes. And
Wait. Show me how you're fixing. Okay, this is a holder. You can hold a mobile or camera, and this is a turn.
I think
turn or to release, so that you can fix this one. And this folder, you have two types. You can fix here and you can fix either way. So let me try this way right now. I'm just tightening this. Okay, it's done, and I'm tightening the other one so it won't turn. I think I did. I just tighten this one. I'm taking mobile, so you have no option to enlarge here, so that your mobile or camera can hold tightly. So let me try to show you for you. So this is how you can fix the camera and mobile, and you can start shooting all your videos, and you can rotate the dimension like however you want based on your requirement how to shoot your video. And also I think you can turn, so you have all the flexibilities based on your requirement. You can go ahead and try to use based on your requirements. So it's a multiple layer height adjustment. It's really useful, and I think this would be a better option. I have bought for this for my channel. So this is my first video unboxing, and we are really excited to say. So anything you want to add, Hari?
Let me turn on the mobile and check what is the angles that we have. Maybe no, just I'll take a one snap, or let me show you. Now I'm turning on the camera. Yeah, you can now see this. Maybe I can rotate, or if I take a photo. Yes.
You can rotate, and again you can reduce height, everything. Let me show you this. Just slow it down. So this is how the overall look, friends. I hope you can have a look and try. As per me, this is a very good for the price, I believe.
Yeah, and lastly you can remove the mobile. You can hold this and press here and it will just hold tightly.
No, not back. You need to
Pull up.
pull up.
Yes, now it has been released mobile. Yes, now I taken
So
out.
friends, it's like a holding very tightly. It won't skip. It won't fall very easily.
Yeah.
So Hari, you want to share anything?
Yeah, I think I'm excited to show like I want to see like when I get shooted my first video. Yeah, I'll be like happy and maybe I can concentrate on my like level of pace or and
Yeah, I think earlier all our videos we struggle a lot, like shooting and holding, recording for videos. We struggle a lot. I think this is going to be definitely useful for us, and we have a better comfort now to shooting.
videos and yes, definitely. And also the price is $8.99 from Amazon. I think it will be a good deal if you buy now. I'm not sure whether they will increase the price. It's showing $9.99 for other days, and during this Amazon Trend Festival, they are given 100 rupees offer, and finally we got it for $8.99. Except for the package, I think all others are good.
Yeah, no other
Let me
damages.
have an experience on this.
That's all, friends. Thanks for watching this, and if you want to buy this one, let us know. We will share the link for you. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.